record?
Yeah, I am.
One.
You got a fucking problem?
Maybe.
Turn me fan off so I fucking start sweating like a dog in a Chinese restaurant.
I should have turned me air on.
Ugh.
Meet Aaron.
Is that the guy from Lord of the Rings?
No, it's the Pokemon.
Hey, Aaron.
My AA batteries.
Aaron. Oh, that Indian music outside's getting turned the fuck up.
Oh.
Give me a prod, you suck his shit.
And suck my dick.
I got a prod. Drink the piss.
Fuck the proc.
Ladies and gentlemen,
The Beatles.
are all dead. Oh, the thumbnail. I forgot. Oh my god, I just remembered. That's funny. Get John Lennon. Fuck the Beatles. They suck ass. That man, in fact, did not get a proc. Hey, Jeff. Pop all you defensives. Healer dead. I'm gonna heal you until he gets here. Hello? This would die. Hello? Fuck. Discord is dead. Oh, hello?
Oh.
I think Discord died. Did you kill the
Okay.
healer at the start?
You killed him?
Yeah, blowing up the bomb.
That's a him problem.
That was funny. Yeah, I was telling Jeff, and then I was like, hello? Hello? Because I sacked him, and then I was healing at the start of that pull.
Okay. Oh.
I get melee range. Woo-hoo. Drink the piss.
Alright, be gone.
Close.
Nearly
I'm
there.
close, you guys.
Bro. Fucking Erebus.
What's going on?
You didn't say the thing, fuck you.
I'm so lost in the sauce right now.
Ah, come back here.
Alright, don't kill me.
I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Where are we going, boss man?
I want the corner.
Alright. Get in the chair.
Oh.
So you get the thing, go
That's
through.
spoken.
I'm going through the boss.
Thank you.
Crazy.
You'd think, but is that a weak order to say that? 2 range kicks. Don't worry, I'll do it.
Thanks.
See, it was behind me. My B. I am so lost. Don't expect me to do anything in this.
Oh,
I might actually check the auto. It's probably gonna be fucking blaring.
Hope so.
Oh. That my videos to sound like poor ASMR at any attempts.
Is that what the accent's for?
What accent?
Might be.
you know, the one that you wake up with and put on every morning.
I may have just killed that man.
Damn it.
Wow.
Oh, don't take that.
He was just stood there.
I don't think he understands the concept of why we're stood in the corner.
Doubt.
Wait, hold. You're not even stood in the corner, you fucking
I'm not.
shitter.
I'm aware that I'm not. I don't have...
Motherfucker, if
Again,
everyone's stacked in the
lost
corner.
in the sauce.
If everyone's stuck
Lost
in
in
the
the
corner.
sauce.
If everyone's stuck in the corner.
I don't have a stun. Or I don't have a kick.
Can you
got
stun
it.
that?
No, my
No.
kick is a stun.
Oh, fair
That's
enough.
more of the
Kill the
point there.
drones.
I love the drones.
Drink the piss.
Also on the drones.
One of us is lying.
What? You?
Joke.
You exposed yourself. I don't know, man.
Rough there, Doug.
I love this class. I'm not actually got any idea what I'm doing. I'm just pressing an assortment of 1, 2, 3 EQR, and it's going well.
Okay.
I'm defending it this way. Good luck.
Doing God's work.
I got a kick, and it's on. And I got video evidence. Suck me.
Congratulations.
Oh, I should have said that. Is this video appropriate for children? Maybe kids that watch Minecraft videos.
Oh God.
Oh.
That didn't make as much sense, but we're not gonna make it like that. Fucking kill it. I'm dying.
You're fine. You're fine. Hey, die.
You pulled the inspectors into this?
No, I pulled the inspectors in the previous pull, so we don't need them.
Alright, no, I was just wondering.
I mean, you can.
I mean, I don't give a fuck, I was just wondering.
Oh, drink the piss.
I interrupted, my bad.
No, I just spell blocked on accident. I didn't want to spell block. It's probably.
Excuse me.
How am I in combat?
Where's my motorcycle? What's it
How
called?
am I in combat? Voidfire Death Cycle. Because they really wanted to give it the edgiest name they could come up with.
Oh yeah.
Throw a few XX's in there, that'd be fucking peak.
What about a
You're right.
Tentacion?
No,
Dead.
Okay.
he's dead.
Good job, lad.
Good job,
The
lad.
shitty mumble rappers are all dead. R.I.P. little peep.
No.
No!
What do you mean?
What do you mean what do I mean?
Do you know what I hate? Do you know what I fucking
peep?
hate? No, when
Go on,
when
go
someone
on.
dies and someone says, instead of saying rest in peace, they say rest in power. I don't know why that irks me.
Who the hell says that?
Who says that? Who
People.
says that?
What kind of animals are you hanging around with? Don't answer that.
Oh. Oh, the paint suppression. It's actually good. What the fuck? Damn it. Thank you.
You know, you guys can stun that guy. Just saying.
Hey, what does your interrupt do again?
It literally is coming up right now.
Alright, good, you can use it.
My ass is not an apple fritter. Get chill out.
What?
What?
They were eating my ass like an apple fritter.
A little specific.
I don't know
but
what
it's
that
fine.
is.
It's a pastry.
Oh,
Delicious pastry.
French?
Yep. Wow. happened to you?
I got triple nailed and double thrown on.
You want to res?
Nice.
Oh, okay.
What? Oh, I waited so long I figured it wasn't coming.
I don't like res unless it's in a boss fight.
I get it, and I probably agree. But I'm a fan of the ideology of use that shit whenever someone dies.
That is a great point.
And,
I
and just don't fucking die.
I subscribe to the ideology of don't fucking die.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn.
I blame Jeff for not being in melee range of the dude that shot me 3 times.
I said that. If I post this video, I'm gonna do a montage of me dying in that last one. The tech come up. No, he did not. He was lazy.
He in fact did not. Don't ask what that was. Anyway.
Anyway. What does me sacking you give me fucking healer aggro?
Oh my god. Good question.
Alright, Paladin.
Really funny. I just pressed dogs,
I
kill
am
me.
Pog.
Hey, back. Good job.
Oh, did I just get hit? He did the cough.
Yeah, it's, yeah. Yep.
That's right.
Yep.
You stupid fuck.
You rang?
I'm gonna go. I just got free. The fucking
Fucked up
healer
with this whole
cleansed
time,
me
didn't
too
he?
early. Yeah.
Yep.
And it's not like I was dying, so he had to get it off. I don't like that. Bad play by him.
Oh god, what did I hit?
Oh god.
Oh god. Back here, you flying bitch.
I think some of that plank actually took effect. I was fucking coughed a little bit and I felt it. Oh,
Yep.
I
Where's
got
behind
two.
him?
I got two. Oh,
Sweet Jesus.
don't you dare fucking
Looking at
ping where
your
to
ball
go.
smell.
Dog ass couldn't fucking wait 2 seconds to dispel me. Stinky disc priest.
Stinky priest.
Couldn't think of anything that I could say that would get me sent to Guantanamo. Guantanamo.
Guantanamo Bay.
Domino.
Send me to a speech therapist, please.
Yeah, you and me both, brother.
I'll save you.
Why? Because you sound like Hulk Hogan,
Me.
brother.
Oh yeah, brother. Hey, go get that last bomb.
I'm so
Thanks,
fucking
big dog.
slow. Rough. I don't have a
Wow.
horse. I don't have a horse. I have no horse name.
You slow
no
bitch.
name.
No, nay, only. I don't know.
Come on, you got this.
Nah, I couldn't come up with it.
Dispel? Alright, thank you.
Oh, go to charge.
You bitch. Just get me. Oh, I should have got the one on the right. Oh.
Anyways.
Quick mount flex.
Hold.
No, I'm
Alright, I'm on the
scrolling through my
bike.
mounts.
I'm on the bike. That's something.
Gang gang.
It's the latest and greatest in mount flex technology.
Oh, dude, have you got your head enchant yet?
I haven't.
Any of you? Do you get it?
Yes.
The new one?
Yeah.
Have you put it on? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Check the spells. That's all I'm gonna say. That
Oh, it's
big
gonna be a
beefy
bad
boy.
time. Where's my fucking demonic circle? What is wrong with me? Not even on the bars.
No faith.
My tank's the other tank. Oh. I had a DR for that, and that felt like it really fucking hurt for some reason.
Same.
Dying. I didn't do it.
The fuck did you just say? Run that back.
I think I'm smoking tongues. Bear with me.
Oh god, I have nothing for this. Someone please save me.
He must have had something, because I sacked you and it felt fine.
Cooldowns for this stupid ass fish.
I still have a really clear memory of the first time you saw him. You're like, oh my god, I love him. And then every other time, it's like,
and he's just a mass murderer.
everyone's stuck on his thing.
That's usually how heroes tend to be.
You wanna? You suck.
I feel no remorse.
Jeff, you tank that. Oh, what the fuck?
No.
Oh, what
Good
the
job, Bubble
fuck?
Gang.
What the fuck? Those wires just fucking snapped my neck.
What's going on?
Fish gave you the blowing of a lifetime too. What the hell?
No, I got bobbled. Give me a button to press, you fuck.
Chat, you too.
Oh, poor. He died.
He's dead.
Good job, lad.
I went to eat mage food.
Does he really?
Wrong caster.
Does he really want to res?
Damn.
More haste.
Stop laughing at me, Thalkiel.
Fucking who?
The head.
Oh, he's goated. So no
He
head.
is goated. Oh no, there's head.
Or kick.
I don't have it.
I use mine. And literally everyone doesn't have a kick attack. Oh, your pet.
Unfortunate.
At least we got percent.
Please, sir. Stop it.
One more spark slam for the road.
So fucking rude.
What did we learn, Jeff?
How'd you get in my house?
Indoor. How else?
A fair question.
Damn, I must have left it open.
Back to the shed.
I'm the man in the shed.
Stir the tea in. Slice the coffee out, remember? Oh fuck, I fucked it.
Take the piss.
Stir the sandwich and slice the tea.
Now stir the sandwich and slice the tea.
What?
Never you mind.
That's so fun. Never you mind.
This is a fucking skit this comedian did.
His voice is so goofy. Never you mind.
Alright, are you hitting that one, Jeff?
Oh, I'm hitting the fuck out of it.
I want to taunt it and roll back.
Okay. How about it?
No, I don't have it bound.
Learned.
No, don't stop being team player pad.
Don't start being the team player just bad.
But Jeff, there's nothing to interrupt.
Like a goose.
Simply like a goose.
Hopefully this guy's worth
Simply
1%.
like a goose.
Very good.
Ah,
One.
damnedest thing to tell you.
So much time. That's crazy, dude. I've been
Yep.
sucking it up this dungeon, putting out an absolute stinker of a performance.
An absolute stinker. You rank?
You didn't say the thing.
You did? Which words of the mighty J? I had to think about it. Oh my god.
I thought you just like your internet was dying, man. That's even worse.
I had to think about it. My brain cooked for a second. Not in a good way either.
I cooked.
Oh,
Old man shakes fists.
Heal me. Heal me. Heal me. Oh, we're fine.
boss.
We're good.
Sacked you immediately.
Thanks.
Healer's
Pick that
dead.
man up.
Healer's dead. Use the arse.
Give me a sec here. Oh, you got him.
I'm healing you. No, I got him. Yeah, I'll get him. I'll always get him
Thank you.
unless I ask you
Why? Where did that fucking pool go?
to. You fucking do need help.
There was a pool there, and it disappeared. Like, it wasn't even like it got used up. It just disappeared.
Feeling okay? Like,
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm nearly out healing Jeff.
That's bad.
can I catch one of those?
I'm being so fucking for real. Can you drop health stones?
Oh, fucking absolutely. I'm out.
I'm being so for real. I'm gonna grab one of those. Oh. It's just me and you, Emil. I don't know why I'm being stupid.
Really? Might be.
Defend me. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. I've never actually looked at the roof of this building. Oh, it's a fucking roof.
That's a tall roof.
There's a
High
ceiling.
ceiling. It's a high ceiling.
I was struck. I forgot what fucking ceiling. Oh, he's
I've got nothing.
Yeah, you give me a stroke.
dead.
I have high ceilings.
Alright, nice flex. You're gonna flex that your parents are in a loving marriage.
Yeah, that's right.
Would never know what that is. Sorry about you.
Please, just let me call the dogs. I just want to call the dogs.
Hey, Mark.
They got rabies. They got put.
Damn.
Oh, my dogs.
Oh my bad. I kind of thought we were out of B-res and I didn't check.
What?
You res that guy.
Oh, when I res that guy?
Yeah, I thought we ran out of B-reses.
Not having a B-res tracker.
Well, fuck, I have the ability that is the tracker. It's in a spot where I don't want to look at it.
Crazy. Take this bubble. Your balls smell.
How did you know?
Oh.
It was the planking. Really got to his balls.
Yep.
That's the thing that made me fearful of failing the plank. Just total nut annihilation. Oh, I got the healing trinket. Nice.
I got a chest
And Jeff
piece.
got a cinder brew. Woo!
I don't
And
want to
the
go back.
crowd goes mild.
Ooh.
Oh, my boys are so big and they have honey stick. He's dead. He's dead. Your father is dead.